All right, student artists, today we are drawing a superhero. We are going to need paper, a marker, and colors. I want you to think about if you had a superpower, what would it be? So we're getting our paper and our notebook ready. What would your superpower be? Make sure you think of your superpower first before you start drawing. If I had a superpower, I would want to be able to fly. So I'm going to draw a superhero who is flying. I'm going to first draw the superhero, the person. So I'll use a circle for their head. And then I'm going to use a rectangle for their body. My superhero is flying, so I'm going to draw its arms facing up. I'll use rectangles to draw arms going up. Use diagonal and vertical lines, lines that go that way and up. Now I'm going to add legs using more rectangles with a line going down, doing my best to make straight lines. And then I'll draw one more leg. There, that's the beginning of my superhero. My superhero also wants to wear a cape, and a cape would be behind the superhero like that. So I'm going to use a line and make an angle, changing directions. Now my superhero has a cape. I'm going to make sure to give my superhero a face and some hands. We have 5 fingers. So make sure you draw 5 fingers. Give your superhero some feet too. My superhero's feet are pointing down because my superhero is flying. So I use little U shapes, little curved lines to make feet. My superhero is flying in the air. So now I'm going to think about a background. A background is what is going on in the picture behind the person. What would be behind someone who's flying? What should be behind your superhero? My superhero is going to have the sky behind it, so I'm going to use a curved line to make some clouds. There we go. Let's add one more cloud. Now my superhero needs some colors. So I'm going to get out my box of crayons. I want to color the background. So I'll use the color blue to color the sky, doing my best to stay inside the lines. Now I'm going to color my superhero. So I can color the cape. I can color the pants. The shirt. and their face. Can't forget the feet. You could even add a symbol, like a letter or a shape, like a star. You can add any other details that you think would be in your picture. Like some buildings where you can use rectangles and squares. Keep adding details and colors to your drawing. When you're finished with your drawing, give yourself a thumbs up. If you're finished and you want to try something more, you can try writing on your paper. I'm going to write my superhero. So my, what letters are in the word my? An M and a Y. My. What about the word superhero? That's a big word. Let's break it up into 2 words. Super, hero. The word super, how many letters does that word have? S, U, P, E, R. Nice job. What about the word hero? How many letters are in the word hero? H, E, R, O. That's 4 letters. If you just wrote my superhero, give yourself a thumbs up. That's awesome. We learned how to spell a new word. My superhero. What does your superhero do? Does your superhero help people? How does your superhero help people? All right, student artists, I know you're making some awesome superheroes on your papers, and I can't wait till we can share all about it. Bye-bye.